Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to Let's Practice English. So, this is morning time. So, good morning to all, and how are you today? Hope you all are doing fantastic today. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, today, this morning, I went for a morning walk, and first I performed Fajr Salah, and then I went for a morning walk. So this morning was so fantastic, and today's moment was so amazing for me because this morning was so fresh, peaceful, and calm. So I enjoyed it a lot, and I saw someone is walking, someone is running, and someone is also jogging on our campus. So everything looks so beautiful, and everything looks so fresh and quiet. So at daytime everything looks so dull and boisterous, but morning time everything is peaceful. So the morning weather is really helpful for everyone, and walking in the morning is good for health. So that's why I went for a walk. Generally I do not go for morning walk, but I went for a morning walk this morning, and today's moment was really a fantastic moment for me. And do you know how many birds are there on our campus? You can't imagine. There are thousands of birds on our campus. So while I was walking, the birds were moving and flying over my head, and they were chirping. So that moment was really fantastic for me. I can't imagine that. I couldn't imagine that I could saw that. So it was really fantastic for me, and there are thousands of birds on our campus. So